Alright, this is lesson 4 of Skills 1. This is our first week of kindergarten. I just want to let y'all know that you're doing a great job. The first thing we're going to do, like always, is count with our fingers. I'll let you pause this and raise one finger for every number you say. I would do it at least 3 to 5 times, okay? This is one that you like. What did you hear? Okay, so tell me how many noises you hear. How many was that? Should have been 3. Good job. How many was that? 4. Good job. How many? Good job. 3. One more time. Three again. Good job. Okay, this activity is you're going to use the same thing you did yesterday, the counting, or the box like this that has how many noises, okay? Still going to use the same one, and every time I make a noise, you're going to put something there, okay? Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to click off of that. Let me get back on that. Okay, there's the box. Every time I say, every time I make a noise, you're going to put whatever it is that you have, little cubes or Cheerios, whatever, one for every noise. You should have 3 things on your map. Okay, clear it off. Let's do it again. Okay, how many do you have? Yes, good job. Should be 4. Okay, here we go again. Ready? How many was that? 2. Okay, good job, 2. Okay, last time. Two again. I was trying to trick y'all. All right. As always, to distinguish our right from our left, we want to do our greeting again. Hello, Miss Lassiter. I'm using my right hand to shake your right hand. What's left? Wave to yourself with your left hand. Okay? Practice this greeting as much as you can. It really, really helps kids distinguish between the right and left. Okay, and I wanted to go over the tripod grip with you again before we move into our activity pages. Make sure they're gripping their pencil or crayon, whatever they're using, correctly. It's very important, and it's very important for them to have that fine motor skills, okay? You are going to complete activity pages 4.2 and 4.3, pages 11 to 14. I do want to tell you that activity page 4.1, do not worry about that. We already completed it whenever we had y'all come in for beginning of the year kindergarten testing, okay? All right. Congratulations on your first week of kindergarten. I hope it was easy, and I hope I helped you out. Bye. See y'all next week.